Let's start. We now go on to type 3. If you've got your pen and papers ready, you guys can take this question down. We've got 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3 plus 11. Find the sum of the first 50 terms. Now, this question can be broken up into two styles, guys. Pay attention and listen carefully. The first one, they could say, extend the series by 2 terms if it continues in the same pattern. So let's extend by 2 terms. So we've got 2, 3, 5, 3, 8, 3. So you can notice here that there are 2 separate sequences here. There are 2 separate series. We've got one where there is a common term of 3. Every alternate number is 3. And then we've got 2, 5, 8, 11. So now obviously we know 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3 plus 11 plus, what's the next number going to be? Obviously 3 plus, now we're going to go 11. What, guys, what is your common difference between 2, 5, 8, 11? So it's plus 3 also. Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Obviously your next term is going to be 11 plus 3, which is 14. So if the question asks, which it didn't ask in this case, but should it have asked in the exam, extend the pattern by 2 more terms if the series continues or behaves in the same manner, you would say 3 and 14. 3 plus 14. So you continued it. Find the sum of the first 50 terms of the above series. So now we've got 2 series, guys. So we're going to find S25. Because we've got 50 terms, we're going to find 50 broken up into 2 separate series. So we've got 25 terms in the first series, and we've got 25 terms in the second series. And all we're going to do, we're going to add up. We're going to find the total, and at the end, we're going to add the 2 sums, and that will give us the total of the 2 series. So pay attention in our answer. Right, we're now going to do S25 in the first. We're going to do S25 in the second. At the end, we're going to add up these 2 values. So now, S25 in the first. What is the first series? We've got 2, 5, 8, 11. So obviously, it's arithmetic. S25 in your second, it's got a common value. It's got a common value of 3. So let's find out S25 in the first. S25 in the first, the last term is not given. So we're now going to go Sn equals n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d, because my last term not given. So S25 is equal to 25 over 2 into 2. What is a? 2 plus n minus 1, 25 minus 1 times, what's my common difference? 3. S25 is equal to 25 over 2 into 2 times 2 is 4 plus 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 times 3 is 72. 24, 48, 72. There we go. So S25 is equal to 25 over 2 into 72 plus 4, 76. So S25 is equal to, go to your calculators. We take 76, so we go mode, comp. We now say 76 times 25 equals, divide that by 2 equals, we get 950. And that is S25 in our first series. So we just substituted all our values and we get 950. We now go to S25 where it's got a common value of 3. So S25 in the second one is equal to 25, your number of terms, times 3. So 25 times 3 is 75. Now, this number could be anything. If this was 4, it would be 25 times 4. If this number was 8, it would be 25 times 8. In this case, it's also 3. So it's just purely coincidental that your common difference and your common value of your second series is the same. Like I'm saying, purely coincidental. Okay, so S25 is equal to 75. Therefore, your final answer, therefore, S50, the sum of 50 terms, the sum of 50 terms, because that's what the question asked, find the sum of the first 50 terms. Therefore, the sum of the first 50 terms is equal to S25 in my first, which is 950, plus S25 in my second, 75. 950 plus 75, 1025. And there we go, guys. S50 is equal to 1025. And you would get 6 marks for that. 3 marks on this side, 3 marks on that side. It looks like a lot of calculation, but it's actually not. It's quite very easy.